what did they say? Measure twice, cut once, and glue once. Measure twice, cut it, glue it, and screw it. Hi everyone, welcome to my dream boat project. What have I been doing today? I believe they call it measure twice, cut it, glue it, and screw it. And that's what I've been doing. This is the smallest of the 15 bulkheads that I need to put together. So I already had them drafted. I showed you that in a previous video. And so this is the smallest. This is number 14. Okay, 15 is the transom. This is number 14 that I did last night. But look at this, the smallest one. And look how big it is. Okay, just standing here, you can see the end over there. So this is right at the front of the boat, the bow, excuse me. And you can see on the floor, it's as tall as I am. So I did one other today, and I'll go ahead and show you that. So this one here is bulkhead number 13. And what I've been doing is I put them on the plans. These are the plans that I did. As you can see, all the drawings are there. So I put the pieces down, I cut them out today, and using my brand new radial arm saw, by the way, it works great. We have a video on that that I did a few days ago. So it's all cut out. I glued it, and I've been using the PM Premium Loctite glue, and got it all ready to go. Got it all cut up, and these are, actually I have all my plans underneath here. I don't know if you can see them or not, but these all of them are all right underneath here. So they're all ready to go. So that's what I have for you. Well, like I said, I'm going to see if I can do it right. Measure it, cut it, screw it, and glue it. You know, I had to play that back on the video and start over about 5 times before I got it right. So I should have just said screw it, right? But anyways, there we go. I'd like to thank you for watching. I'll let you know. I'll give you an update when I've done some more of them. I've been doing, I did one yesterday, did one today, and unfortunately I ran out of screws, and they don't have the good screws at Home Depot or Lowe's that I need for this, so I got to order some more on Amazon, and it'll probably be about 4 or 5 days before I get them. So that's my next step. Order screws so I can glue it and screw it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.